G'day guys, had a busy day today. Been getting all the stuff off the floor in the workshop. Have a look, everything is now on shoe racks. I went to Bunnings and I bought these shoe racks and I built them up and stuck them in those top cupboards because such a big space and you can only put one item flat in there. It's just a waste. And I've basically got all my coils and stuff up in there, all the test coils and experiments and cables and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, and stuff I use all the time. I'm just hanging on the back of the door. Just basically test coils and that. But the best thing is, I don't have stuff all over the floor. Yeah, I also bought these steps from Bunnings too. They fold up so I can jump on those to go up to the top cupboards up there. But I'll tell you what a complete schmozzle. There's still tons of stuff down there. I've got to get it out. But I've got some room up there. I've got to go sort go and sort that out. I've only roughly put stuff up there at the moment, but I've got to get some more of these shoe racks, $25 each, and well worth it. Yeah, so yeah, I've thrown a lot of stuff out in the hallway as well, but at least now I'll be able to shut doors and get some stuff off the shelves, even though it's still completely nutty as such. There's tons of stuff everywhere, and yeah, just got to sort it out. Like, the workbench, like that is just complete clutter, and it's multiple. I've got little slidey baskets, I've got shelves and more shelves, and it just fills up. It's unbelievable. So I'm going to have to hack into that, or I'm going to have to get myself a bigger workshop with more bench space, because it's just crowded. Parts drawers, the amount of parts you need for fixing all these things and doing R&D and stuff like that is just huge. It's a huge amount of stuff. There's absolutely thousands and thousands of different components. Yeah, common ones are sitting around, but in the cupboards and even down there, there's tons of stuff just in there. Detectors all over the place. I've been marching through those as best I can, but my God. So yeah, even parts drawers up there. Oh dear me. Those drawers down there are full of stuff. Just stuff everywhere. So crazy. I've been into here getting rid of stuff out of the cupboard, but yeah, I've got to just pack it down and keep shrinking it and somehow logically making it, logically putting it in some sort of order. God, I even stuck my 7,000 up in the cupboard, get it out of the way. So it's pretty mind-boggling the amount of stuff in this room. There's stuff everywhere. Oh, I nearly forgot. I've got to repair those things for people. Oh dear me. Yeah, they were sitting in a box with stuff on top. So yeah, I think David dropped them around, so I'll get to fix those. But yeah, just even test equipment, sitting there. I've got cupboards out there full of stuff as well. Out in the hallway, there's cupboards that has more test equipment. I think I've got that super expensive 1.5 gigahertz oscilloscope sitting out in the cupboard out there because I'd rather use that Hewlett Packard 300 meg scope because it's it hasn't got a noisy fan in it. The other thing just it's got noisy. Well, the fans are noisy. Just got to put so much air over those chips in that device or in that oscilloscope to keep it cool. But even if you look under here, I think I've got some extra oscilloscopes under there as well. There is one there. There's another Hewlett-Packard one there. I can see the silver handle on it. It may be a digital, maybe an analog. I've got oscilloscopes out in the garage, really good ones too. I've still got those things there that go from millihertz up to, I don't know, I think go 20 megahertz, but they do millihertz. You do fractions of a hertz with those. They use them on submarines for sonar. I know they did. Yeah. So because you can set lots of parameters on, they're very, very good for very low frequency work. I find most of the stuff I do now, basically, all I've got to use is that Hewlett-Packard signal generator over there and the oscilloscope, variable power supply, highly accurate multimeter sitting under there, and occasionally I use a spectrum analyzer, and which is sitting there, and that's a really good spectrum analyzer, that one there, the HP one. It's an absolute ripper. It's for low frequency work. It's one of the best low frequency spectrum analyzers ever made. You will not get that anymore. You just will not be able to get your hands on one, but it's really good, and it works really well. You don't know what that thing means. That is a very, very interesting piece of equipment. Basically, use that for selectively amplifying very, very small low frequency signals. But doesn't see much use. So like I say, I'll get in the corner here, and this is how the workshop is looking at the moment. Still need to clean up. I even vacuumed the floor. But like I say, I'll get right in the corner here, and that's where we're at. It may look big, but it's not. It's just compact, and that's how it's all going at the moment. But I just had I had a massive pile of coils down there. It was getting ridiculous. So out they went, and still got detectors on the floor and detectors everywhere, of course, as usual. But we're going to clean all that up as well, and just make dedicated areas. Me. Oh, what fun. And there's an FA, was it? No, F1A4. That's the thing there. That's been sitting there for months and months and months. I haven't even moved it. People like those detectors. No, I don't particularly like them that much. Other things have been done much better. But stuff, just parts and stuff. And anyway, I just thought that I hadn't made any videos because I've been so damn busy. You can probably see that detector there I'm working on at the moment. I'm doing something very, very special to that, which I cannot disclose. I cannot disclose at this time because that'll be letting the cat out of the bag. But it's basically the basis, experimenting on that for another project. So, can't say too much about it, but we'll get there. So, yes, been very, very, very busy. There's still got a lot more to go. So don't let your workshop. I cleaned the workshop up, and 2 months go past. It's a complete schmozzle. It's because the work comes in at such a rate that it doesn't give you time to it's funny, even between jobs you tend to work on top of what you're already doing, and you put that aside till you're waiting parts to come in, and it just goes completely crazy. So It really is quite maddening. There's parts everywhere. Look, parts, parts. Up there, those tubs are full of parts. I mean, it's keeping Arrow, DigiKey, and Mouser in business. Not that I use DigiKey anymore because they got that stupid policy that won't let you change your order if you realise you make a mistake. So DigiKey can eat my shorts. And look at all the coils up there. It's just absolutely tons of them. And that's not all of them either. I mean, they're obviously there, and they're also out in the garage. So tons of them out there as well. God, years and years of detecting and doing electronics with this stuff. It just builds up. So yeah, it's thought I'd just make a quick video. There's some people just like watching what goes on. So there's a little bit of insight to what I have been doing. So yeah, it's called the tour of the room, I suppose. Yeah, so that's the time up there. There you go. We're in the evening. It's not in the morning. So I've been working on this all day. I mean, this place is completely bonkers. Like, even if I have a look here, have a look. There's all boards and stuff. I haven't even got around to touching it. Here, what's in there? Oh, there's a power supply in there for something. But I hate things up high. There's all sorts of parts and things need sorting out there too. Oh dear me. So, yeah, it's just stuff everywhere. It just piles up and piles up. I even got my old iPad here. I got a brand new battery for it, which is probably somewhere else. I haven't even bothered putting it in. It died. The battery died, and that happened last year, start of the year. I haven't even got around to putting a new battery in that. The other battery's probably gone flat, all self-discharged. So yeah. Oh dear me. So anyway, like I say, it's been busy. It's been busy, and we're just trying to get this joint cleaned up. Oh dear. Anyway, leave it there, and hopefully next video I make will be more interesting. I've had a look at a lot of stuff going on. Yeah, I'm going to give you. Nothing. Oh, I don't want to say that. No, I was going to give you guys something to go and search for, where someone did something. We'll call it. I don't know, nugget trickery. In one of the YouTube channels, nugget trickery. It's called. Oh, geez, a lot of gold in an area that's been really hammered. Interesting. Anyway, I won't go too much into that. But yeah, interesting. But I had a look. You make technical videos, and there's a niche lot of people that are interested in technical videos on the technicalities of metal detecting, looking for gold and stuff like that. And then you go and have a look at the ones doing swinging coils back and forth and digging little specks of gold. It's amazing that these people who walk around the bush swinging the detector will get 15,000 views in 3 days. And if I did a workshop video, like how to do something on a detector or check something or whatever, sometimes in 3 days it may only get 500 looksies. So it just shows you that I'm not doing this to be famous. I could just go out there and swing the detector all over the Victoria and go elsewhere, go over the WA or whatever, and make all these swing detector videos. I really think it's boring. It's boring. It's not brain food. It's monotonous, boring stuff. I mean, people just want to sit there and watch people tap into the ground and beep on targets and all the rest of it. Yeah, I don't know. if it floats your boat, I suppose. But God, if I don't learn something each day, I don't like it. I want to learn something every day. So that's what we've been doing. Apart from this, I've been doing a lot of research on stuff to do with um, the electronic side of detecting. You can never know it all. It's you cannot go to metal detector school and learn about metal detectors unless you go and buy. Closest thing you can get is probably Carl Morland's book, the latest one he put out called Inside the Detector. That'll give a good insight, and you can read up Bruce Candy's patents. You have to go back to about 1990 and read up on the patents. The first patents first set of patents that came out is basically the holy grail of pulse induction metal detecting. It tells you everything you really need to know, and everything else on top of that is a bit of, sprinkles or something. It's a little bit of tomato sauce on the sausage roll or something of that nature, or ketchup, as some people call it. Yeah, anyway, that's enough of that. Just showing that things are progressing slowly, and I'm getting ready for a big lot of stuff that's going to get made, designed, and everything. So I've got to clean the place up. I can't work in a total shamozzle, which this is, and I just got to sort it out and yeah, get with the program, as one would say. Anyway, it's enough. 8:30 at night. I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to keep cleaning. Catches.